What's up guys, Nizo here. I just received my Soundigital GAN Founders Edition amplifier. For those who don't know, this is a pretty special sound quality amplifier. GAN technology, I'm not going to go into too much detail on it. I'll leave you to Google what GAN is, but yeah, that's pretty much the amplifier I've got. 5-channel. This is the manual that came with it, or the added info. That's the amplifier, 1500.5 GAN. That's some specs on it. 4x125 watts RMS. I see there's no 2 ohm specs, so that means it can't go to 2 ohm. Okay. Frequency response 6 hertz to 65k. 65.25k. That's serious. That is some serious response. On the 5th channel, which is your mono, 4 ohm, 660 RMS and 1000 watts. Goes down to 6 hertz as well, quite good. 105, some good specs. 30.7, so call it 31 centimeters wide. I call it 15 and about 5.5 centimeters high. It tells me it's a pretty compact amplifier. Look, I haven't seen the amplifier. I'm doing this for the first time here. That's the 2000.8. I've ordered one of those. So just by the way, these GAN amplifiers, the 1500.5, which is the one that I have, there's 300 made in the world, and yeah, I just happened to be lucky enough to get my hands on one. That's all the info on it. There's an 8-channel in the pipeline. Let's open it up and have a look. So, yeah, sorry, I just had to break the seal. I see it's a box in a box. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, what do we have here? That's pretty cool. This is number 176 of 300. So yeah, I told you it's a special edition. Only 300 made in the world. And okay, that's your certificate. Okay, that's the actual. That's your 176 of 300. That's the total power it actually makes, signal to noise. And yeah, that's pretty much certificate of authenticity. Let's put that aside. Okay, the amplifier. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this for a moment. Okay, there we go. Just took it out of the box. Let's see what's going on here. It's a bit difficult to do this with one hand. Wow, I really did not expect the amplifier to be that small. It's just, I don't have big hands, but yeah, that's pretty much the size of the amplifier. Some fan is going on there. It's your inputs. I don't see markings. I'm assuming it's on the top. Takes 4 gauge RCA inputs. Nifty. I know that there's controllers. There's controls behind that. We'll just have a look. But Jesus, look, it's. The weight is relative to the size, but I did not expect it to be that small. Let's see what else there is. Okay, that's your mounting hardware and Allen keys to open up, and more info on the amplifier. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this installed. let me just open up the stop cover and show you quickly. One moment. Okay, so I've loosened the two cap screws, and here we go. Okay, did have everything listed on top. Ground remote battery, channel 5, that's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's strange. There's negative, 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 negative. Not familiar with that kind of layout. It's got a subsonic filter, low pass, so that's high pass, low pass, bass boost. We don't ever use that. Okay, channel 1 and 2, crossover, high pass, full range, low pass, gain. I must admit I expected it to have at least some clicks on it so you can feel it as you going up. There is nothing, but guess you can't have everything out there. Switches here, amplifier looks pretty good. I'm going to try this out in the Caddy, my SQ application, and see if it's any better than my current high-end amplifier. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll give you more updates as soon as I start playing with it.